of the booze, yeah.
Fish! Ah! So will take a go! That's not the words. You are no Flash Gordon. You are no square-jawed, A+ student, blonde, handsome, tall, muscular, athletic savior of the universe.
Let's just make the drink.
Okay, so in case you haven't noticed already, folks, today's drink is called Flash Gordon, and here's how we make it. In a shot glass, little dash of grenadine. Then we're going to layer goldschlager. Give it a little twirl, get all those gold leaves out. Okay, Flash Gordon.
Really? That's it? We're better than that. You got grenadine and goldschlager. You got a spicy version of a cherry.
You want some flash?
I want some flesh.
Here's some flash. We're going to layer Bacardi 151. Then we're going to take an orange, cut some of the rind off, do not cut into the flesh.
Look at it spritz.
And then we're going to light the orange over the shot for some flash.
That's flashing. I like it.
Take a taste.
Right.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Can't just pick it up. You'll burn your hands. You gotta put the flash out first. Here's how we do it. Now take a taste there, Flash.
Thank you for watching Secret of the Booze. Be sure to subscribe and watch past episodes. As always, if you have a geeky cocktail, let us know in the comments below.